Are you sick of paying $97 a month for tools like ActiveCampaign or AWeber just to send emails? What if you could cancel those expensive monthly subscriptions today and get a powerful AI autoresponder that sends unlimited emails for a one-time fee of just 16 bucks? Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at Mailzio. Stick around because if you click the link in the description, I have put together a massive exclusive bonus package with 10 premium tools to help you build your list and force your emails into the primary inbox. Let us dive in. Here's my honest take on Mailzio right out of the gate. If you're a beginner on a tight budget or an affiliate marketer tired of strict autoresponders banning your account for promoting offers, this is a no-brainer. You get lifetime access to unlimited sending for the price of a pizza. However, if you plan to send millions of emails a month, you'll want to connect your own premium SMTP server to this dashboard later for maximum deliverability. For getting started and cutting costs, it's an absolute steal. So what exactly is Mailzio? It's a cloud-based email marketing platform that completely eliminates monthly fees. It's built specifically for affiliate marketers, beginners, and anyone who wants to build a list without the massive overhead. The biggest problem beginners face is writing emails that actually sell and getting banned by strict platforms. Mailzio solves both. First, it uses an integrated AI powered by ChatGPT to write your emails for you. Second, it has a built-in free SMTP, meaning you can upload your list and start sending immediately without configuring complicated tech. You can even clone winning emails from any website URL with just one click.
Hi guys, I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing MailCloner. In this video, I'll guide you with a full walkthrough demo of the MailCloner AI software. After your successful registration, log into the dashboard with your login details. You'll be directed to this dashboard. Here, you'll be able to see the reports for the clicks you got for your campaign and the contacts you have. To create a campaign, click the Campaigns option next to Dashboard at the top. Here, you can check all the campaigns you have done along with their status. Use the Sort option to sort your campaigns according to the date, etc. There's also a search option to look for a particular campaign name. To create a fresh campaign, click the Create New button at the top. Now, enter the name of the campaign and click Continue. On this page, you'll be able to edit the template of the email. It comes pre-installed with 3 basic email templates for you. To add elements to the email, click Add Element. To insert items like links, headers, images, etc. After editing the template, just click Save to save the changes. Now your template is ready to use. You'll be able to preview it, send a test mail, send it to a group of contacts, or send it to a particular contact here. To add the contact lists, click on Contacts at the top. Here you can import your list, create a new contact, and manage contact groups. And here's the most interesting part of this tool. We have added 4 cool AI features to make this tool more unique and useful for you. Under the AI Features option, you'll find tools like Email Series, AI Templates, Prompt Generator, and Link to Email Template. You can generate an email series for your customers to keep them engaged with your emails. To do that, just enter the details such as name, target audience, topic, etc., and click Generate Series to create an email series. The next AI feature is called AI Templates. With this, you can generate a highly attractive template that looks unique. To generate it, click on Create Template, and then enter all the necessary details such as template name, type, description, category, etc. And then click the Generate Template button below. Within a few seconds, it will provide a template for you. Next, the third feature is called Prompt Generator. With this, you'll be able to create a unique email prompt for your campaigns. Just select the industry, email type, and campaign goal, then click Generate Prompt. Within a few seconds, it will give you unique prompts for your idea. Choose the one you like. Finally, link to email template. It will be more useful for you to create a unique email template about the website without taking much time in it. Just paste the website URL, select the email type, then enter the name of the template, and then hit the Generate button. Within a minute, the AI will give you the email template for the website. When you click on the settings option at the top, you'll have access to edit your profile information, mail delivery settings, and the schedules you've made. I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.
Let me show you exactly how easy this is to use inside the dashboard. Once you log in, you are greeted with a clean, simple interface. There's nothing to install or code. Step 1. You navigate to the Contacts tab and upload your list. If you don't have a list yet, don't worry. I'll show you how to get one in my bonus section. Step 2. You click on Campaigns. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can use the AI email autoresponder. Just type in your niche or the product you're promoting, and the AI writes a highly engaging, niche-targeted email for you. Alternatively, you can use the one-click cloning feature. Just paste the URL of a high-converting sales page or a competitor's email, and Mailzio instantly clones the format and text into a ready-to-send campaign. Finally, you hit Send. Because Mailzio includes built-in free SMTP, your email goes straight out to your unlimited subscribers. You can track your opens, clicks, and bounces right from the Analytics tab.
Email marketing is the best way to land huge profits again and again. Did you know that, on average, people check their email 15 times daily? And that there are 4 billion email users every single day. Email marketing is gigantic, and it's set to keep growing, with the email marketing industry set to be worth over $22 billion by 2026. $22 billion. What if you don't have a list of high-converting, top-quality emails? 90% of winning emails use proven frameworks. Most high-performing emails follow similar formats, angles, and CTAs. Cloning AI instantly replicates these structures, saving time and boosting conversion rates from day one. Don't worry, Mailcloner has got you covered. Mailcloner is the world's first AI cloning autoresponder to clone and send unlimited emails for a lifetime, with no recurring costs ever. And if you don't have the leads, Mailcloner even helps you build top-quality lists with just one click. Create an unlimited email swipe using the power of ChatGPT. You're guaranteed to get verified leads to your autoresponder because Mailcloner uses their social media email. You can send unlimited emails, generate unlimited leads, and create an unlimited email swipe using ChatGPT. Claim your instant access now and get started today. Mailcloner helps you build high-converting, top-quality email lists. This lets you email your lists unlimited times with just one click. With Mailcloner, you're covered with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And for a limited time, we're offering you a meager, one-time fee that gives you lifetime access to Mailcloner. Grab your lifetime access to Mailcloner while you still can, and start claiming your share of the $22 billion fortune today.
Now, let's talk about the optional upgrades. The front-end software is $15.99. It gives you everything I just showed you. But there are 2 upgrades I highly recommend if you want to scale fast. First is OTO1, the Unlimited Edition, for $37. This removes any hidden restrictions and ensures you can scale your campaigns infinitely as your business grows. It's a must-have for serious affiliates. Second is OTO7, the reseller license, for $37. This gives you the right to sell Mailzio yourself and keep 100% of the profits across the entire funnel. You only need to make a couple of sales to instantly be in profit. If you grab Mailzio through the first link in the description below, I'm giving you 10 exclusive app verdict bonuses completely free. These are handpicked to help you get traffic and build your list at record speed. Bonus 1 is Lead Book Generator, a premium tool to easily integrate Facebook lead ads directly with your autoresponder. Bonus 2 is Opt-in Monster. This lets you add floating, high-converting opt-in panels to your websites to collect names and emails on autopilot. Bonus 3 is WP Email Timer Plus. You can create beautiful countdown timers right inside your emails to create massive scarcity and force people to click your affiliate links. Bonus 4 is Email List Secrets, a full video tutorial showing you exactly how to build a high-converting list from scratch. Bonus 5 is Action Poll. This tool helps you segment your mailing list so you can get higher open rates and more targeted sales. Bonus 6 is Email Profits Formula, a complete guide on how to monetize your list effectively without burning out your subscribers. Bonus 7 is Lead Generation Authority Gold. This upgrade dives deep into finding laser-targeted, sales-ready leads for any niche. Bonus 8 is WebList Pro software. Create professional, lightweight pop-ups for your sites to capture maximum leads. Bonus 9 is Viral List Autopilot, a video tutorial on building a huge email list using the power of social media networking sites. Bonus 10 is the Cautionary Email Marketing Video Upgrade. This teaches you the essential rules to avoid the spam folder and ensure your campaigns actually hit the inbox. You get all 10 of these premium bonuses for free when you click the link below and secure your copy of Mailzio. To wrap this up, Mailzio is the easiest way to escape the trap of monthly autoresponder fees. For under $16, you get an AI email writer, unlimited sending, and a built-in SMTP. It's a fantastic tool to protect your profit margins. But you need to act right now. The one-time pricing is only available during this launch window. Once it closes, it moves to a $97 monthly fee. Plus, my exclusive 10-part bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 action takers. Once those 50 spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed from the delivery page. Click the link in the description right now to lock in your copy and secure all your bonuses. Thank you for watching this app verdict review. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus purchase dashboard. Just click the blue Access Affiliate Bonus button. Click the link below, grab Mailzio, and I will see you in the next video.